Hi, this is Kevin, and today we're going to go over the interior control panel inside your Reflection 31MB made by Grand Design. Okay, so we're going to go over this panel today, and I am in a Grand Design Reflection 31MB. It's a 2021 model, and it's a fifth wheel. Okay, so we're going to go over the battery first. You can see that the battery is full, and these are the different levels of everything else. Here's your fresh water. Okay, that first dot is empty, so that's correct. Okay, that's your fresh water tank, your drinking water. Next is your black tank. Okay, black tank is, this is empty. This is 1/3, 2/3 full. The black tank doesn't read very accurate. I don't know why, but it's a common problem inside the industry. Once that gets anything built up in there over the sensors, it doesn't respond correctly. But anyway, there's your black tank level. Then you got two gray tanks. Here's gray 1. Okay, it's showing 1/3. And here's gray 2, and it's showing 1/3. And that's your levels. Okay, now we got 3 slides on this trailer. We got slide 1, 2, and 3. And one is your kitchen, one's your living room, and one is your bunkhouse slides. And then you over here is your awning. This is going to retract and extend your awning over your front door area. Okay, this blue light is for your lighting in your kitchen and living room area. As you can see, that does all of those lights. All right, this one here is your water heater, and this one here is your water heater. And the difference is that this one is LP gas, if you're going to run off gas, and this one is your electric. So you can either run your water heater off electric or LP gas, whichever one you're going to choose. You just push that on. Next one here is your tank heaters for underneath your camper. If you want to heat those up, you can just press on that. That'll take care of that. This is your water pump. This is for dry camping only. If you're going to fill up your tank and bring it with you with your 85 gallons of fresh water, because you're not going to have any water where you're going, then you'll use this water pump for that. Okay, it has a switch here. It has identical switch outside on the Nautilus system. But you're going to need to run that if you're dry camping and running off of a tank. Otherwise you don't need to run it. If you're hooked up to city water or park campground water or water at your house or whatever, then you're not going to need to run that, because your city water will be your pressure. Okay, next is your step light for your steps coming up to your master bed, and as you can see right there, that takes care of those step lights. Okay, next is your awning light for your awning outside, and here you go. This is your awning lights for nighttime outside. Okay, next is your what they call porch light. It's under your step going down, and there you see how that comes on. And lastly, if your camper had a 4th slide, it would be put in here, and if you had another awning, it would be put in here. So there you have it. That's your interior control panel on this Grand Design Reflection 31MB fifth wheel. And if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, I'm going to cover every single system in this travel trailer, inside and out. And if you want to subscribe, we'll have a lot more videos coming out. This is Kevin, Naples, Florida.